Is your Black& Decker hand vacuum not picking up like it used to? Understanding the common causes of suction loss is the first step to getting your vacuum working properly again. Black& Decker hand vacuums, particularly the popular Dustbuster series, are designed for convenient cleaning. However, when suction power decreases, it usually indicates specific problems that can be identified and fixed. The most common culprit is filter-related problems. Black& Decker vacuums use washable filters that can become clogged with dust, hair, and debris over time. A dirty filter restricts airflow and dramatically reduces suction power. Here's what actually clogs your filter. Dust, hair, pet dander, and small debris accumulate in the filter fibers, creating blockages that prevent proper airflow. This buildup happens gradually, so you might not notice the suction loss until it becomes significant. Another major cause of suction loss is an overfilled dust bowl. When the collection chamber is too full, it impedes airflow and reduces the vacuum's ability to pick up debris. Additionally, blocked airflow can cause the motor to overheat, triggering an automatic shutdown. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal vacuum performance. Cleaning filters regularly, emptying the dust bowl after each use, and allowing the vacuum to cool down if it overheats will keep your Black & Decker hand vacuum working at peak efficiency and extend its lifespan. The first step in fixing suction problems is to empty the dust bowl after each use. A full dust bowl blocks airflow and reduces suction power significantly. Next, clean the filter thoroughly. Remove the filter from the vacuum, shake off loose debris, brush away stubborn dirt, then wash it with warm soapy water. Wash the filter thoroughly under running water with soap. Make sure to rinse all soap residue and allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling it. Filters should be cleaned regularly and completely replaced every 6 to 9 months. Regular maintenance prevents motor strain and maintains optimal suction power. Inspect the hose, wands, and nozzle for any blockages. Remove any debris or obstructions that might be restricting airflow through the vacuum system. If problems persist after following these steps, consult your instruction manual or take the vacuum to an authorized repair agent for professional diagnosis and repair.